Hello viewers, we are back with another video and assalamu alaikum to all viewers. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, today we are going to talk about again Higgsfield, an amazing AI platform that allows you to create your own AI influencer, generate your videos according to your motions, select your motion as well, and guys you can also generate money by posting AI videos. So guys, we will talk about in depth how it works and how it is beneficial for you. So guys, please watch our video till end. So before starting the video guys, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to receive the every notification from our video. And also guys, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor. So guys, always do your own research and then invest. Now guys, we have to move forward to the websites and begins our review. So guys, here on the website I will put the link in the video description. So before joining, always do your research first and then guys you can join. So today I'm going to show you a very powerful and trending AI called Higgsfield. Guys, you can create your own influencer and get earn money by posting those videos on YouTube and Instagram. So you don't need even a face, you don't need a big audience, guys. You just need advanced editing skills. So guys, if you are interested in AI content creation or online learning 2026, make sure to watch this video guys till end. So guys, first of all, we will talk about Higgsfield, an AI generation platform built especially for our creators' main goals to make guys content easily and more creative, more profitable. So guys, first of all, you can create an influencer. You can check out their influencer program here. Design original data characters. You can guys build your own character according to your guys taste and mind. And also guys, you can turn into the videos and the characters and monetize that content directly. So guys, that matter because AI influencers are becoming a very new character category of a content, and just like people who started YouTube early or Instagram early. So guys, first of all, we'll talk about the influencer program. Simply guys, you can get into the influencer program. First of all guys, we'll talk about an influencer program are digital character created using AI. So guys, first of all, they look realistic, move naturally, and can act like influencers. So many people missed up opportunities like guys Bitcoin, NFTs, early YouTube. So an influencer are now becoming the next big trend. So guys, brand, character, and platforms are starting to adopt AI, and because they are unique, consistent, and scalable. So first of all, Higgsfield makes the process very simple and every for beginners. So first of all, now I will tell you what is guys influencer AI. Guys, you can check influencer AI studio, which the main tool inside Higgsfield. I am opening guys. First of all, you can check out the character in the left corner like Skylar, Paris, Darian, Amy. Different kind of characters you can check, and also guys you can generate or create your own character as well. So you can check out and customize your face, skin tone, body type, style, identity here. You can simply check out if you want a human. Simply guys, you can click on the human section. If you want a male or a female, you can need to select it, and then guys simply you need to be select which kind of guys origin you want, like African, Asian, European. If you want mixed up, simply guys you need to click on it. So guys, if you need an Indian one, simply click on it. You need to select the color of the character as well. Simply guys, if you need to select the character, then guys you can select the eye color. So if we go with this color, so you can also get the which guys skin conditions you need. So simply if we want that one, so also you need to click on the adult one, and that influencer will be generate your influencer in few seconds. Guys, if you want to click on it, so it will be generated very fast. It is in progress and generated will be very fast. So these are 90 plus guys creative parameters, which means you can create a completely original character. So guys, you can also mix presets, merge characters, and create guys or style your influencer as well. Also guys, after creating the character, the next is thing is to make them a motion. to step in the motion. So guys, Higgsfield has a power of a motion engine that brings your AI influencer to the life. So guys, simply you can get the 30 seconds video that is perfect for your shorts on Instagram, TikTok, on your YouTube, and everything is done in one guys simply click. So our AI is getting in a progress, so I will show you when it will be done. So guys, you can check out our character is ready. So we have made a human of a male version with the Indian guys skin tone, gray eyes, and an adult man. So guys, here is our character. So if you want to make it with the motions, you can also do it. So guys, we are going to go with this character to make them in a motion. Simply guys, you need to click on a guys motion version, try it free. You can explore the guys different kind of motions here. So if you want to get like guys this kind of guys motion, simply guys you need to click on it. Simply guys, then you need to click on the generate button. Our QE is going to be ready and it will be done soon. So guys, so now guys, let's talk about our video is ready now. You can check out our reels of guys 15 seconds is now ready. We have selected a character and turned it to motions that are already given to us. We can also select our own motion as well guys. Simply you need to click on it. So we need to cut guys, and then guys if you want a new version of influencer, simply guys you need to click on the influencer button. You can click on the create button, and then guys you need to select your character like that character. You need to click on guys a free version, and then guys you can explore it from guys here. Simply guys you can select any kind of video you want from your gallery. Select the video, click on the open button, and that character will be turned into a motion by your given video. So that is very easy to you. Now guys, let's talk about the important part of Higgsfield. That is how we can earn money by guys creating these kind of AI videos. First of all guys, here is the earn section. I will put that link as well in the video description. You can create the content and get the real earning. First of all guys, I will tell you how it works. The first step guys is you need to guys connect your Instagram or guys your YouTube with them, and then guys you need to create the AI videos from Higgsfield. Then guys simply you can upload your videos on Instagram or YouTube or shorts, and then a fourth step is to get paid according to your views. That is very important and easy way guys. Simply guys you can click on the submit and start button, and then guys you can check out the campaign will be ready. First you need to connect your Instagram or your YouTube with them. That is very easy method, no manual approval, no competitive process. Just you can upload it your medias and put the link, and you will be get paid according to your performance. There you can check out as well. All things will be done. You can claim your money, very easy method. So guys, that's our video about Higgsfield. I hope you can enjoy it, and if you want the more guys videos about it, you can tell me in the description. I have put it all the links in description. You can check out. And guys, thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoy it, and guys I hope all things will be done in a guys good way. Before guys ending, I have to tell you again, do your research guys. Always research in the project, because research is very important. Without research you don't need anything. So guys, your research is very important, and then guys you can only join by doing the research. So guys, hope you enjoy our video. Let's meet the guys next video. Goodbye.